Hello, my awesome people. Today, I have the perfect summer drink for y'all. It is a mango sago jelly drink. It is popular all throughout Asia, so you will find many variations of this tasty drink. The recipe that I'm going to share with you today will include some ripened mangoes, cute little tapioca pearls, some jiggly jello, and some chewy coconut gel cubes. They will all be swimming in a sweet, creamy milk mixture. If you have never had this drink before, it tastes very similar to a Thai fruit cocktail. I'll link my Thai fruit cocktail video in the description box below. It just happens to be one of my most popular dessert videos on YouTube with over 260,000 views. So if you like the Thai fruit cocktail, then you may possibly like the mango sago drink as well. It is fairly simple to make, so let's get started, y'all. First off, we need to make ourselves some mango jello. Pour the powdered gelatin into a bowl, then bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Pour the hot water into the bowl with the powdered gelatin and stir until the powder is dissolved. Now pour in 2 cups of cold water into the bowl and give it a quick stir. Adding in the cold water will help cool it down faster. Allow the gelatin to cool, then divide it equally among 3 jello molds. Then cover the containers with a lid and place the jello in the refrigerator to set overnight. Now we can make the yummy milk mixture. In a large mixing bowl, we're going to pour in some whole milk. Then we're going to add in some whipping cream. And lastly, we're going to pour in some sweetened condensed milk. Stir to combine everything. Now, if you have a fridge that is big enough, then you can just cover the bowl with some saran wrap. But if you don't have the space in your fridge, then transfer the milk mixture to some sort of a container. We're going to let the milk mixture chill overnight along with the jello. We're going to place the rest of the ingredients in the refrigerator as well, except for the tapioca pearls. So place in the fridge the whipping cream, the can of sweetened condensed milk, the mangoes, the jello, and the mango flavored coconut gel. The reason I placed everything in the refrigerator the night before is so that the next day I can just put everything together and immediately enjoy it. I don't want to have to wait 4 to 5 hours for the drink to get cold. I'm just too impatient for that. So here we are the next day. Let's cook the tapioca pearls. Fill the pot with some water and bring it to a boil. Then dump in the tapioca pearls. Bring the water back to a boil. Then cover the pot with a lid and immediately reduce the heat to medium-low. Cook the tapioca pearls for 15 minutes and be sure to stir occasionally. After the 15 minutes, remove the lid and reduce the heat to low. Continue to cook the tapioca pearls for 10 more minutes, but be sure to stir the tapioca often to prevent them from clumping together. Then turn off the heat and place the lid back onto the pot. Allow the tapioca to sit undisturbed for 10 minutes, and once the tapioca has turned translucent, then it is done. Now give it one last stir, and then we're going to strain the tapioca. Strain it and then give it a quick rinse under some cold water. Then just set it aside, but you will want to once in a while stir the tapioca to prevent them from becoming one big clump. For the mango flavored coconut gel, all you need to do is strain it. We won't need the juice for this recipe, so you can either drink it or discard it. I have to admit though, I did take a little sip of the juice because a girl gets thirsty when doing a YouTube video, y'all. And I'm going to finish drinking the rest of the juice later. Now we're going to cut the mangoes into small cubes. You will need 4 ripened mangoes for this recipe, and be sure that they are ripe. That way they will be soft and sweet. If you use unripened mangoes, then they will be hard and tart, and you don't want that. Okay, dice the 4 mangoes and divide them into 2 separate bowls. One bowl of diced mangoes we will add to the milk mixture later. And we will need to reserve 1 bowl of diced mangoes to use as a garnish for our drinks. So go ahead and set the 2 bowls aside. Now we can work on the Jello. We just need to cut them into small cubes. Although we had 3 containers of Jello, we only need to use 2 of them. The 3rd container is an extra one, but if you want to add it to the milk mixture, feel free to do so. I just think it's kind of a bit much, so I'm only going to use 2 of the Jello containers. Do what you want with the 3rd one. Now remove the milk mixture from the fridge and give it a stir. Then pour it into a large mixing bowl. The first item that we're going to add are the cooked tapioca pearls, and use your spoon to break them apart. And don't worry, they don't have to be completely separated. Next, add in the diced mangoes. Then add in the 2 containers of diced Jello. Like I said earlier, if you want to add in all 3 containers of the Jello, feel free to do so. Lastly, dump in the mango-flavored coconut gel. This item is not typically added to a mango sago drink, but it's my own personal touch. I feel like the drink was lacking some substance, so it's something that I personally like to add to my mango sago drink. Alright, now this would be the time to taste and adjust your drink. If you would like it to be thicker, then just add in more of the whipping cream. If you would like it to be sweeter, then add in more of the sweetened condensed milk. Adjust the drink to your liking. And there you have it, folks, a delicious summer treat. Thank you all so much for watching my video. The recipe is available at www.eatwithemily.com. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And until next time, I'll see you later, alligator. Have a beautiful day, y'all. Bye.